Howdy folks, I'm Mark Wessel, Chief Horticulturist at Gurney Seed and Nursery. This week I'll be answering questions from you guys about your biggest gardening challenges, from early seed starting to fertilizing fruit trees. If you have a gardening question you'd like me to answer, send us a message at gurneys.com/pages/dig-in. First up, I've got a question from Margie in Zone 7. She asked, what flowers and vegetables can I start now for the spring planting season? Margie, warm season crops like peppers, tomatoes, and eggplants can be started now, and it's important to have a warm growing environment, and to achieve that, our seed starting kit along with a seedling heat mat underneath helps ensure a very warm soil temperatures. Quicker maturing cabbages and broccolis and cauliflowers can be started now. Kale, chard, kohlrabi, onions, leeks, and perennial herbs can also be started. Many perennial flowers can be started now. Hollyhocks, echinacea, rudbeckia, snapdragons, and digitalis. For more complete information on seed starting, visit the Gurney's website and view our complete guide to starting seeds indoors. Terry asks, I'm looking at a Sweet 16 apple tree. What is the difference between a 2 to 4 foot reachable tree and a 2 to 4 foot Reachable Deluxe tree? Terry, regardless of the option, you'll receive a 2 to 4 foot apple tree on a dwarfing rootstock. The rootstock brings the size down so that all the picking, pruning, and spraying can be accomplished standing on the ground. The tree will produce the same full-size delicious fruit as a standard size tree. The Deluxe package has Quick Cow in it, a bag of Quick Cow for enhancing fruit quality. It also has a bag of starter fertilizer and gentle tree ties to tie the tree to a stake. Included also is a tree guard that you wrap around the trunk to keep animals from chewing on the bark. Carol asks, what's a good granulated fertilizer for established fruit trees? Carol, I like a balanced, mild, and slow release fertilizer, preferably made from natural inputs. Conventional's fine too, but go easy on conventional fertilizers. These natural fertilizers boost the microbial community in the soil, so you feed the soil that then in turn feeds the plant. Fruit Trees Alive is a great example of this. It has all your major and minor nutrients, plus molasses and humates to help stimulate microbial activities. You can also top dress with compost and/or wood chips that will help the process as well. I hope that's helpful. If you have a garden question you'd like me to answer in a future video, send us a message at gurneys.com/pages/dig-in. Until next time, happy gardening.